Moringa powder is loaded with vitamins such as vitamin A, B, C, and E, minerals such as iron, potassium, calcium, and other important phytochemicals. Moringamask is one of the best hair masks for thickening of hair and strengthening of hair, thereby minimizing shedding and breakage. Use this mask religiously and you will be amazed. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima again. Today I'll be making moringa hair mask. To begin, pour 2 to 3 teaspoons of moringa powder in a bowl. Add half cup of aloe vera juice to it. Please remember that I have a video on how I made this aloe vera juice in my description box. Please kindly check that out. Stir the ingredients to combine. Next, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey to the mix. Please, if you don't have honey, use only aloe vera, but make sure you use enough aloe vera. Next, add some coconut milk to it, about half cup depending on the consistency you prefer. When it comes to hair health, coconut milk is reported to possibly have the following benefits. It is high in lauric acid. Lauric acid is one of the main ingredients in coconut milk. It is high in protein. It is also high in vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6. It slows hair loss and restores dry hair and scalp. It also gets rid of dandruff, so I'll be adding about half cup of coconut milk to it, and I will stir to combine all the ingredients. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil to it. This will further help with sleep. So after mixing in all the ingredients, and yours is not as smooth as this, please check your ingredients to be sure where you went wrong. So I will transfer all the mix in my applicator bottle for easy application. So moving on to the application, here I already shampooed my hair. I will finger detangle before using the mask to saturate my entire hair strands, starting with my tip and working my way towards the root. Use this treatment twice a month for better results. Guys, you can never go wrong with natural products, especially moringa. You all know that I'm the moringa queen. I have a lot of videos on this channel on moringa. That's to show you how beneficial moringa is. Please check my description box. I have a lot. So guys, I have a lot of videos on this channel on moringa, even how you can make moringa powder from fresh leaves. Please check them out, the videos, and try out some of the recipes and see how it works for your hair. Okay, but trust me, you can never go wrong with moringa or any other natural hair products. Take my words for it. So guys, this is the leftover and I'll be entering my bathroom to finish that up. Next, I'll cover my hair with plastic cap to trap some heat. So I'll be leaving the mask in my hair for 30 to 45 minutes before I rinse it out. I will still use this to further saturate my hair, but that would be in the bathroom because I'm so conscious of my background. After rinsing out, I still have some particles stuck in my hair. I just want to come show you the struggle, but don't worry, don't feel bad when you don't wash off all the particles out at once. From research, I found out that the longer the herbs stay in your hair, the better they work. Please don't get yourself worked up if you don't wash off all the particles at once. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.